So friend, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 may not hit store shelves until July 25, but it's already getting its first software update, and that's a promising sign for early adopters. So what's in the update and why roll it out now? So the first firmware version F966 NKSS2AYG5 starting rolling out in South Korea this week. Unlike the usual post-launch update, this one lands before the phone's retail release and focuses mainly on July 2025 security patch, and it reportedly addresses 40 known vulnerabilities, including 1 critical Android issues, 21 high-severity ones, and 17 Samsung-specific fixes related to Knox, Samsung account, and Bluetooth. The update is expected to expand soon to other markets including the US, Canada, and Europe. What's more telling is what this update doesn't include. According to Sam Mobile's hands-on, One UI 8 already feels polished with smooth animations and AI assistant multitasking, suggesting Samsung is not rushing to fix major bugs before launch. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a part of Samsung's 7 years OS and security update policy, meaning support through Android 23 by 2032. Monthly security patches will be guaranteed for at least the first 4 years, which should ease concerns over the $1,999 price tag. Samsung pre-order offers are already live, including double storage 512GB for the price of 256GB, up to $1,000 off with trade-ins in the US, and bonus accessories credits in Europe and the UK. With its first update arriving even before launch date, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems off to a strong start and is Samsung's latest foldable worth the $1,999 price. Well, find out soon enough. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.